Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Phone you think you're going to use and get him back? Bah, bah. Mr. Shelly and the child go for one old per phone. The child go for one old per phone to she hears the local boy like me. Oh, yeah. Yes, girl, the woman go for one better phone and ready for come class me. And all me at this and all me at that, and you go for keep me and you go for take me. And all different type of something and this and she hear the boy I tell me how much funny and I put a smile on him face where she never do. Because she always make him serious and not cause she does. Yeah, I double she can't at me for that because him hard choose me. Or she da go like a she him hard choose him never choose she a blood clot. I look on that dirty man, the Shelly-Ann. The Shelly-Ann, I look on him, that's all him to walk and watch me front. That's all him to walk and watch me front. Him say him no like me with the beard and I must go cut it off, because I like when it a rope and film face. Girl, Queen Visa, or Vanessa, or Visha, where you want name. The boy never want her from morning. And me, the boy did in her from morning. But you should tell him all of the things them. You should tell Hugo all of the things them when she can blood clot game. That's why the man never bother look for me. Because I write to England, him that go come to me when him left prison. Blood clot. I never go look him. What is for you have to be for you, you know. Come suck me, I'm not busy if you now want blood clot that done me. But she go for one blood clot better phone. One better phone, the woman blood clot go for to she hear you go and tell me say him want phone. But I go send the phone go give him. I send an iPhone 8 go give him. So she better size up with that. I know 10 them have now or 12. I send the 12 go give me love. So she better get 15. Him come back. Wow, I can't believe it just wake up. My friend bring me 2 bottles of rum last night, you know. And 1 box of patty. I put the patty in the fridge. I have my 2 bottles of rum, them. 1 for mix my cereal. And 1 for me, you know, sip and none more want to drink. Me say me want. I go die me be them. Want me. You know, say look like the government have cut out the winter warming credit this year. And look like them are going to send letter to people who are eligible for it. You know, I can't enjoy party them when them come from Jamaica. All when me put it in. Me love them, you know, when me put my one in the oven and the shelly and me just wrap my one in some hand towel and put it in the microwave and it's soft, same way like when you buy it. When you buy it at Jamaica, because I don't like it crispy. And Candy love it. I just skin out the meat out of the belly and yeah, you want Sarah and your meat. Puss the boy choose me. What are we then on me ear and that? I say I'm glad I'm sorry, so I love sleep at night time. I say Me is a Foley class, Puss class, Rika class, everybody last time. Me is a Foley class, them is a Foley R class, baga fucker them. And for class out them blood clot, every day them do that my live I call up my blood clot man name. Every day them dep on my live I call up my man blood clot name. I no tag Foley in this day. Blood clot. Let me look if I see him too. Every day I just get up and Foley. Cuss out them blood clot, yes. Let me look for him name. You see my man class them dog rotten. I search him and I can't find him. I went there for blood clot. Then I get up and I call up my blood clot man name. Foley just cuss out them blood clot. Class them dog rotten. Oh God, I'm tired to all. Oh yes, I'm gonna have to go search for Foley. I want my man there. Coming at this foul. Morning, Jojo, top doll. You're very polite. You're the only one come over here and say good morning. And it's the first me ever see you. Hi everyone. This lady is the only person that come over here and said good morning. And I don't want nobody follow her. Because I'm not going to acknowledge it. Nikki with the tight. What have you make your old Foley class up, Puss on the whole of them and rub out them baga and every blood clot body? Chris Biscuit, you just say hi Ratty. You're good. That's what you said to me, Kiss Biscuit. Hi Ratty. You're good. And I said, yes, me good. You never seen no blood clot, nothing like that. K8 standing still, period. I mean, I look back on the whole and comment, because try me kill blood clot, God. And I mean, take Mary, man. So me I go look on the whole and wicked comments. See it there? See it there where Chris Biscuit said to me, say, and all of these things. Yeah. My ears say my husband cross up them blood clot. I don't care what you want to say, no K8 standing still, come bite me. I look for my husband, you know, I can't. I find him, but I don't know why I'm not come up here. My blood clot. I cooked some jerk pork yesterday. Nice to see me. My friend I'll do takeaway. Do some nice jerk pork yesterday. Oh, sure. I want to look about up and catch Chris Biscuit. You know me already. Come on for the live now, I make the people them see you. Just itch up behind me, so blood clot. I might make the people them see you. Watch him. Move now. Let it make sense. Woo! Hugo choose me. Make the boy come off of the live here, come on nobody blood clot. See him just enough for him look think himself. See him gone there. Yep, go on over this now. So why you want the people them see you? Nobody no want to see you. Go sit down over there, so man. Yeah, sit down right there, so. Push up, look up the cushion them. Why don't you ask me? Nobody come back on the live, make them see you. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. No one boy did in my house a while ago, but him up on the live and them see him, so I don't want more body see him. You believe me, say me just wake up? My eye them still have it. So in the chat, girl. You still have pick the bait, you still have pick the great, you still have pick the something for me? Alright then. Happy Friday! You know, me go to sauna tomorrow, though. I'm going to the sauna tomorrow. A long time I go to sauna, go get that steam and get my old kiss up. I'm going to the sauna tomorrow because if somebody can come kiss up my old for me. What's like come here to the little gym now and now them are going to bite me up. But I'm going to dye my beard first.